If you need to switch citation styles in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're working on an essay, a research paper, or any document that needs proper academic formatting, changing your citation style in Word can save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Word document. Make sure the file you want to work on is already open, because the citation style change will apply directly to that document's references. Once your document is open, look up at the top ribbon and click the References tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps all the tools related to citations, footnotes, bibliography management, and source formatting. Now that you're on the References tab, look for the Citations and Bibliography section. In this group, you'll see a Style drop-down menu. This drop-down controls the citation format used throughout the document. Click on the Style menu to open the list of available options. Word gives you several common formats to choose from, depending on your assignment, publication, or professor's requirements. From the list, select the citation style you want to use. For example, you might choose APA, Chicago, IEEE, or another supported style. The moment you click the style you want, Microsoft Word will automatically update your in-text citations and your bibliography to match the new format. That means you do not need to manually edit every citation one by one, which is a huge time saver if you have a long paper with lots of sources. After switching the style, take a moment to review your document. Check your in-text citations to make sure they display correctly, and scroll down to your bibliography or works cited section to confirm the formatting changed the way you expected. In most cases, Word handles this automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check if your document has special formatting or custom sources. If you're switching styles for a class or publication, make sure the entire document stays consistent. A citation style change can affect the way names, dates, punctuation, and source details appear, so it's important to confirm that everything still looks clean and professional. If needed, you can repeat the same process and choose a different style at any time. So to recap, all you have to do is open your document, go to the References tab, click the Style drop-down in the Citations and Bibliography section, and select the citation style you need. Word will take care of the rest automatically. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.